Hi, my name is Alejandro Villamar, and in this video, I will explain how my web application works. This project uses MongoDB, has a database to manage user information, and render.com for deployment. The project is organized into the following files and directories. And controllers contain the logic to handle user-related requests, data manage the MongoDB database connection, and routes define API routes that interact with controllers. Server in the main file that setup express and the server, and that MB stores environment variables such as database credential. Uh, Database file is responsible for connecting the application to MongoDB. First, we use .mb to load environment variables from the .mb file. Then we initiate the database connection with using Mongo client to connect, and the function initDB callback. This ensures that the database connection is established only once. The function getDatabase provides access to the active database connection. This setup ensures that our database connection is efficient and reusable. Um, User and these files contain the logic for handling HTTP requests related to user. Get all, rect and rest retrieves a user stored in the database, and get single, rect and rest search for a user be it and returns it a JSON. Both functions use MongoDB that get database, that DB, that collection to interact with the user collection in MongoDB. Index handles the route and directs the request to users, and users define specific routes for user interaction. First, head users calls get all and returns all user, and get user it call get single and returns a specific user. And server we load express and the database connection. This file is the entry point of the application. The server runs on port 3000 or the one specific in that MB. The function MongoDB init the DB ensures the database connection is established before the server starts. If the connection is successful, the server listens for incoming requests. Um, we start the execution environment locally and prove access through the port that we have configured. And we can observe that we have access to the database. And select any user, for example, Emily. This is my space in MongoDB where I have created a user in Atlas to administer access. I have configured the option to access through any NEP address, and this is my cluster. If we are going to browse our collection, we can observe that the database of the example and user where the example information that we are going to request from a web page was loaded. This is my work. Where is it? This is my workspace and render.com where it is already implemented. We can go to the link that provides us with access to the MongoDB database. We can see how we have a welcome message. Hello world. We can access user and even search for a specific user. In this case, Valeria. In summary, this project allows us to manage user store in MongoDB, track, and API build with Express. Um, it's all. Thank you for watching. Feel free to ask in the comments.